look at all the drugs we develop over the next, that we were going to develop over the next 100 years. How quickly can we get them? So include everything. Include the clinical trial system, which will get faster in some ways because we can replace late stage trials with early stage trials, and early stage trials with animal trials, and animal trials with, with experiments on cells, and cells with simulations. But it'll still take a while. It'll still take a number of iterations. The AIs will, as time goes on and there are more of them and they get smarter, they'll find ways around it. They'll say, actually, you don't need to run that experiment. Like, I can figure it out by thinking in my head. That other experiment, nope, too complex. You still got to run it. What does it all add up to? Where do we get to at the end of it? And my view was that something like 10x is feasible. Something like 100x is not outside the realm of possibility, but I'm skeptical. I think 2x is possible, but would be, in my opinion, a pessimistic assessment of how fast things are going. And then if I think about, well, what would we have, so let's say 10x is right, what would we have done in 100 years? I think in 100 years without AI, humans have a lot of ingenuity. I have a lot of respect for the basic biologists, the folks who work in pharma. I think in 100 years, humans can, live to maybe 140 instead of 70 or 80. And so the prediction that makes is, maybe that will be possible if we build our powerful AI in 2027. Then in 10 years, by 2037, will humans be living to 140, 150? And I bet someone even odds at that.